Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM tools. First one is Keap and the second one is MailChimp. First, I will go through some pros and cons of each other, then we'll try to discuss which one is better from the other. I'll tell you more about them and then we compare the pricing plans. So let's start away with Keap. Keap is an intuitive sales, CRM and marketing automation software that can be utilized by businesses to enhance their sales and save time as well. Companies get to generate more leads, sort them out and forward the right kind of message to the right people. They can also trust on the particular to generate a robust customer experience and gather loyal patrons. Its inbuilt features and functionality includes email marketing, reporting and analytics sales pipeline, CRM, sales and marketing automation, appointments, payments, and more. Users can leverage Keap to generate custom forms and embed them with their landing pages and websites. This also helps them trigger automated actions in real time. Inbuilt SMS and email marketing feature helps users forward broadcast messages to individual target groups, driving in greater sales. They can also automate the entire sales follow-up and enhance lead conversion rates through the sales pipeline. Keap is providing very successful support business solutions, and also is made for small and medium businesses. It's not really a big game player. So if you're an enterprise or big enterprise, maybe you should look straight away for someone more experienced on, more able to handle bigger tasks, like for example Salesforce, which is one of the biggest marketeers. Straight away, when we check the UI, it's very visible. You see your contacts, your new leads, new clients, repeat clients, sales, quotes, and invoices. This invoices section is very nice and customizable. So you can straight away create an invoice at Keap, which will save time because you don't have to either go from one application to another, but if you need just simple invoices, you don't need another program to do so, or you don't have to pay another license. Then you can track your appointments, you can check the tasks or your team tasks, you can add more contacts, and also check the automations. For every CRM tool, I would say that the integrations and automations are the key. That helps you basically get you the perfect option for your business. So, to the pricing of Keap, at the moment they are providing 30% off on your first 3 months. So even if you want to check, for example, this max solution, you can do so with a discount, because it's almost $200 a month without these discounts. Simply, you can go according to your contacts. So starting at 500 and the roof is 25,000. And if it's by any chance more than 25k, you have to contact the sales and they will tailor you the option that you can go with. Other than that, we have light option for 3 months. You see the discount. It's 500 contacts and 1 user. So if you want to access your plan for more users, you have to pay $30 more. Then we have a Pro, which is also the version that you are running with your trial account for 14 days if you decide to. And then Max, with basically it unlocks all the features that it can. Then we have a MailChimp. MailChimp creates target email or ad campaigns by connecting with MailChimp, an email marketing software that specializes in making sure that your emails reach the right people at the right time. It targets your customers based on behavior, preferences, previous purchases, and also sends a series of emails with just a single API request. MailChimp enables you to reach a wider audience with its ad campaign on Google, Facebook, and Instagram. It also provides you with advanced reporting features, which lets you to access your sales, revenue, or any other report from anywhere and anytime. Its mobile app features a number of intent-based templates that lets you create and send campaigns directly from your phone. They are providing very nice 24/7 live rep, and it's also meant for large companies, large enterprises, and freelancers. I would say if you want to get in touch via emails or by any kind of campaigns with MailChimp, it's the best option, even better than Keap. As you can see, we have this couple of options. With free, you are basically not paying anything, but you have 2000 contacts, marketing, CRM, creative assistant, website builder. Then essentials starts at $9.99 a month based on 500 contacts. Then standard and also the premium, where you can basically send the words came and I forget them, your ads via phone, and getting the phone support, I mean. Very nice way. That's website and commerce and transactional email. What's very nice about Keap is those invoices and basically everything under one roof if you are a smaller company. But if that smaller company wants to reach the maximum amount of the targeted people that want to sell the ad or sell the product or basically anything, Keap users reach out for MailChimp to send the email notifications for the customers. So they can be very well integrated between each other. And believe me, it's maybe the best option that you can go with. I wouldn't say that Keap is the best option or the best CRM. Me personally, I would go, for example, with Monday or ClickUp, even if you're a smaller one. But MailChimp is for sure the best way how to reach your customers. If you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video. We will try to answer them. Leave a like if you want to or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Have a nice day.